beautiful people. This is my home, in front of my home. I don't know if I can see front yard or what. Anyway, yes. And then when I come across here, there's a tree here. And let's see. See? Imagine. hmm This is where I call home. When I turn the camera like this, you see. Every day is documentary in my home. Every day it's animals watching. Okay, what if I turn a camera like this? What are we going to see? Let me go close by. Here they are. Maybe I can sit down. You can see, guys, not only this, turn around like this. See some of them moving. You turn around like this one, you see another one, and there are many, not one. You see, guys, I can just even sit down and give you guys watching. Yeah, they are my neighbors, guys. The small one is running. You can see all of this. Look at this one close for me. There are many. They are looking at me. They are my neighbors. And then when you turn like this, you'll see others moving around. Look at that one. Yeah, let's come this side. Today, it will be amazing to see my people watching the giraffes at my home. Yeah, that's amazing. You see? You see it like that. This one here. And we turn like this. And then you'll see big numbers. Turn like this one. Then you turn around like this. You see them. Yeah, imagine, guys, this is a blessing to have a beautiful place like this. You don't need to pay anything to watch, just here, guys. Imagine, guys, you don't need to pay anything. Look at this one. Look at me. Hi, neighbors. Neighbors, can you say hello to our families, friends? Oh, they are running. Oh, don't run. Don't run. Don't run, my neighbors. And look at this one. They are looking at me. Don't know. Can I take a picture like this? Even confused. Maybe take like this one. Yeah, that way. It's amazing. Look at that one running. Yes. Yeah, they are confused, like this guy is looking at us. And there's a vehicle going to my home. It's a Pro Box. Yeah. Can you hear Rex making noise there? Look there at my land over there, they are running. The boys are chasing them away. Away, away. They are chasing giraffes away. You see those boys there. What's up, my beautiful people? It's a beautiful morning here in Africa, and you can see down here there is the rocks. All the rocks are just inside here, guys. Look. So this is what been happening. Been drawing all of this place. Let me show you from this side, this angle. You can tell, guys. You can tell. Yes, so that is it. So right now you can see this. So just finish on this side. Finish this side, but I'm going to remove like these big ones. Only put on the other side. Then step by step we'll be leveling all this. So for now we are not putting here. We're not putting here. Reason being because this side we have to work on plumbing work. The moment we finish with the plumbing work, that's how we'll still put some stones. Yes, and the other side too, we are going to put on the other side. Then this one. So this job need a lot of people, like now collection. So and I don't think I will hire again the tuk-tuk, because that one has on its own problems, you know. Yeah, but for now what we'll do, we'll be able to just collect with the wheelbarrows. Yeah, we collect with the wheelbarrow and then we'll see how it goes. Yes, so that is it, guys. And you can see just been watering the trees here, and like I told you guys, I need someone to adapt one of the trees around here. Yes, yeah, because last time during the dry season it was very difficult for me. Yes, so anyway, that is it, guys. Wow, look at this. This some onions. Some onions, they just grow. You know, I planted long time ago here, then now they are growing. The moment just the rain started, all of this. Yeah, so that is it, guys. So right now at least things we are trying to collect. Imagine all the stones around the compound here. I'll use it on that house, except where there is some flowers. Yeah. Yes, so that's one of the things that have been happening for you guys. And also, hey, you see this is where I was attacked by the dog on the other side, but I didn't want to show on the video because there was some blood, yeah? And YouTube don't allow that, you know. Yes, so that is it. Yeah, so right now, oh, I can see this one they are growing here. There's some cactus, you know. So I'm going to see the dragon fruit farm, and it's growing, guys, you know, just slowly by slowly. And here, the reason here, it's not like I just want to them to get some fruits right now. What I want is to get some more fruits, like to get more. Like this is like a nursery where you can get some seedling and plant more and more. Yes, that's what I'm planning to do. Yeah, I'm not so on the fruit first. I just want to make all this place. Yes, and now you can see even the grass have started coming out, even this side. So we dig this side because of this soil erosion, to stop the running water from the other side. That's why you see this place is just like this one. Yeah, but meanwhile we thank God for this gift of life. So all in all, guys, as you know, for those who have been watching my video, you have seen me uh, uh, going to the mountain to support the one of the family through you guys. And a lot of people have been reaching me out, and they said, why not get a tuk-tuk for you? So for now, as you have been seeing on the comment sections, a lot of people have been contributing, and I want to say thank you so much. Big shout out to you if you have been contributing toward the tuk-tuk. That we really want to get a tuk-tuk so that I can able to reach more people, those who really need it. And our program is that instead of just going every day, we can go to some villages, and you guys will be telling me where to go. So as you know, one of you just open a GoFundMe for one of the family, and I'll drop the GoFundMe link here so that you guys can support them. And this started when we have been feeding them food through other channel, and this channel I'll just also put a link down here. It's called Ereto. Yeah, so on this channel, maybe I'll put also in my post here, so you guys can see what I mean. So this is just started like I don't know, is it 7 month or 6 month, when the moment just I went to the Adzabe tribe in Tanzania. And for me, I love so much animals, and we end up buying them some meat, intestine, and we decided like wanna cook with them because I don't like to see animals destroyed. And from there, the moment I just came home, one of my friends told me that because now you have just done this video, why can't you decide like every time you get small things you can go and share with the people who really need it. And one of my subscribers, they keep asking me about one of the family, the man who used to come to my home. They have been watching on his videos, and I went there and I decided why not start feeding them food. I started by small amount, cooking, doing this, yeah, during when I get my paycheck. And from there, one of my subscribers came and decided like why not, let's just open a GoFundMe for them. And from that time also, most of my subscribers came up with cooking, like sending them food, doing this stuff. After that, it became very hard for me because I have to travel with 2 motorbikes to the mountains. So now one of you guys decided like why not buy you, through the problems that I have with my bike, sometimes getting damaged, getting down, why not help ask my viewers to contribute toward this motorbike. So, and we come up with a motorbike that maybe can carry a lot of food stuff, while we are moving to different village, feeding them, at least especially old people. That's what we are planning to do, like visit old people on that. So right now that's what we are doing, and I can post that the link of this channel here so that you can see what we normally do apart from Maasai with a passport. So Maasai with a passport is to deliver and show you the first steps and what I've been doing before we continue with the other step. The other step is for feeding them, empowering them, you know. Yes, so yeah, that's what we do, like empowering the community, doing some other stuffs. And now if I have that motorbike that has many problems, maybe I cannot carry more things that I want, and I really like to reach more people in the village, reach more people that really need your helps, guys. We really need us. Yeah, so that's one of the things that we really want to do, especially right now. Yeah, so me, I'm building these cabins for friends and families that really like to visit me, and I'll be so happy, you know. Yes, so right now things are doing good, because right now we have been able to not me personally, but one of my subscriber decided to ask people to contribute money toward the motorbike for the good cause that we are going to do. Yeah, so that's what's really happened, and I really appreciate it. I want to say thank you so much. And also on my side, I see like people are trying to support. Why me reach out to you guys and ask maybe if you can contribute a little bit, or maybe you can join my WhatsApp group to see what is going on. So really, if you really want to, I just reach out to one of my friends here in the village and others people also, if they can. All right, but anyway, I want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate your support, for always coming, supporting Maasai with a passport. Yeah, I'm helping my people here in the village. At least we are gonna go and reach out to old people. I think most of you guys that you are watching from here in the village, I've just went with you guys, and some of you also contributed, including one of the doctors contributed toward the medicines. Yes, yeah, it's something that has been happening. You have seen on my video that we went also to treat them, and I came up through that. I came to realize there's more people that really live interior, because the moment you just go somewhere, people will start telling you about, oh, there's another family somewhere, there's another family somewhere else, and it's very far. So that's why I really need a motorbike to use it, because this one right now, the other day we tried to build here, and it become a problem because there's a very big problem with the hub, and the hub, putting another hub, is means that you have to buy another full hub and rim. Yes, and apart from there's some other more problems. So every day, like, you can go, the moment you just go, it will get a problem. You need $30, $20, $50. So every day I travel to the mountain, it will come with other problems. But anyway, I want to say thank you so much for you guys for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and share. This is Maasai with a passport, and for those who don't know, I just do other videos in a different channel, helping those who really need help. Not like I do that to show them, so that it's something there, to show them through my channel. And when the people really want to help, I I I I I I, I show them the progress through the other channel. Like, most of you guys love to see people that they are sleeping hungry, getting something on their stomach. But meanwhile, I want to say thank you so much to everyone who have been watching my video, subscribing, like, and share. And also, guys, I really need We get some iron sheet over there. I want to fix on this side. Then we'll need some of the materials to use here. Like I really need to get some rocks outside, fill it here, and then we do this maram. There's some maram here. Then from there we'll see how things work. So all in all, I want to thank God for the gift of life, blessing. So thank you. And maybe also we'll do this, and then we'll do a cementing of this area. The moment we finish that, we put some irons, then doors or windows. Yeah, windows and doors. Yeah, that is it, guys. And from there, you guys will be able to come here and say, hey, want to come and visit? Yes, that will be amazing, you know. Yeah, so all of you guys, you're welcome, and may God bless. And also, I don't want to forget, so this one I was just collecting with a wheelbarrow. There's some sand. Yeah, this one here, there's some sand. All this here, I just collected from down here. Yes, so imagine, yes, what if we have a tuk-tuk? We should, like, the one that we don't need to pay, like just fuel and do your work. And also when we are going to the mountain, like me also, I'll benefit on that, like getting some sand materials. When I go to the mountain, we go with some foods. We can go to the farm, get food with a big number, like buying from the farm, and take it to the village and support those who really want to, really need us, you know. Thank you so much, guys, for the help and support. So right now, I'll be showing the progress of this cabin every day. Like, look at this tree. So this tree normally dry like this one. So right now it's trimming itself, not like it's drying totally, but trimming. I mean the shade. You see? Then from another time you'll see it. You see, like this one is green, but when you come to this one, it's like somehow dry. I don't know if I can show you. Let me come close, but you see, it's somehow like dry. They look dry. That's because of the shade. Yeah, that's amazing, guys. So we have a lot of things to do here and my home. And also, yes, wow, oh, see, so this is some maram that we just collected. So this one will be doing backfilling, like removing some space. So the moment to do this, we compact it with then the maram will be getting inside, yeah, where there is a spacing. Yeah, that is it, guys. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and share. And I'm coming live from my home here in Maasai Mara, Kenya, guys. Thank you for watching, subscribing, and may God bless you so much. So right now, this is my garden, guys. You can see this is my garden. Got some pepper here. Yeah. Yeah, they are growing. Yes, and everything is doing very well. So every morning we just wake up, water it. You see? Yeah, and they are growing now. See, I think so. Even this one is coming up, but this one dried during the dry season. But we are still giving water to see if it will work. Yeah, so I don't know. It's dry already. It will not come up. Yeah. So that is it. I think we just need to plant. So this tree, this one here was bought by Queen Olness' son. This one, and this one was bought by Queen, and this one also, this one, and this one was bought also, yeah, Queen Honest, and this one was bought by my mom, Nasirian. Yes, this. So there's a lot of trees here, and I planted this the cactus. But this one, they are growing big. You see, all of these trees here, like especially, let me show you. It's growing big. I don't know if I can cut this or I just let it like that. I don't know. Just let me in a comment section. Tell me in a comment section what am I going to do. Yes. And this one has some flowers, so I don't know if the fruits are coming up. Oh, they're coming up. Look at it. You see, there's some fruit. Yeah. Wow. Look. So the fruits are coming up. The same tree like this one. So they call it tomato. Is it tomato plant? I don't know. Something like that. Yeah. So that is it. So we have our tank here. We have water, and everything is it's okay, guys. Yeah. So every day there's a progress, and we have also this. Maybe one of this one. One was for my Jia Kembla, Loro. This the other one is for Loro. This one for Kembla and Jia. And also this, if someone wanna adapt this one, we have another fruit tree here you can adapt, and this one too. And this is a small cabin that we just built with some volunteers. One of my friends just visited me here in the village, and because we didn't have that time a space, and then we end up building this one, this small cabin here. Right now, one of my friend here called friend here staying with me, and is officially from this coming month, that because he came here when we are building the studio. Okay, yeah, I saw some animals passing on the other side. So when we are building the studio, not the studio, the other studio, the cabin. So he came here to stay, and I saw like he just staying here waiting for materials to get everything. When the food come, maybe we can start working together. So I said, instead of that, maybe from next month I will just hire him officially, because I don't want him to stay here and just eat and sleep, and he's not making anything. So that's what I was telling him. So maybe from this coming month, and I don't want him to work very hard, reason being because I want him to start work officially. But sometimes he's helping me by watering the plants when I just wake up. Yeah, so that is it. Because he's staying, he doesn't want another place to stay. For now, officially we are starting getting, maybe we'll be paying him, Yeah, so that's what's really happening. Yeah, so because he stayed here for almost now, it's a month, 1 month. Yeah, and waiting for this one to get all of the materials and start working. But from there we'll be working. So this guy, I just got him from one of the his father worked somewhere in one farm called Destiny, and he just recommended. First time I brought him with the fundis to work, and he started staying here, and then he went back home officially. Then he told me that, oh, I don't want to stay. He came up, and I said, why not? Maybe I'll be working with him now. Yes, that's what's really happening. Yes, because I didn't have someone that when maybe I travel somewhere or I go somewhere, I don't have someone to take care. When I go to the mountain, I have someone to be in the field. So that's what's really happening right now. So yes, and that's what really happened. I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you. Thank you for always watching this video. Subscribe. So right now I'll be having someone here to take care of the compound when I'm just away. Yeah, so that is it. May God bless everyone who is watching this video. Subscribe, like, and share. And that's amazing. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Keep watching till the end. Okay, let's go. Here we come. That's some wild beast. Some giraffes. So guys, look at how green the place is turning every day. And so right now, I don't know if I can get there's something was digging there, so I just want to get some chewing stick from this. So this, you peel it. Let me show you. So what you normally do is like, this is a chewing stick. You remove, then you chew it to be very soft. Then from there you can able now to Don't ask why my teeth are white. So guys, that is it. So I'm wearing this jacket. So right now I'm heading to hardware to see if they have the wheelbarrow. So this is how we do it. Yeah, make your teeth clean. In local language, it's called olkredengai. This one here. In local language, it's called olkredengai. This one. So that is it, guys. Guys, imagine crossing all this place and I have to go the far end to get the main road. So this is where now the animals sleep at night. This area, not only here, but they can sleep here, others sleep on the other side. Some of them sleep down here, like you can see this one here. You see a place like this, so you see them stopping there, like they will stop like the wild beasts, zebras in one area, because mostly wild beasts and zebras, they move together. All like this one for the war dogs, we call it kasongo. Nickname. Now we are entering the animal table, dining. You know, for those who have been watching me, they understand what I'm saying. Oh yeah. I saw something like a rabbit running from here. Wild rabbit. From this side. It's running toward this side. It's gone. So this is now where I call it the animal dining. That's why you see a lot of trees is gone here. A lot of them have been destroyed because of what's really happening here. Past this side. So this one is removed by the elephant. So when the elephant have new babies, they remove this one for the babies to eat, and also it's a medicine. Yeah. So when we start from here, this is a old one. So I know that most of you know this place, but for those who are joining, those who have subscribed, I'll just explain to you. So this is a dining area. It's close to my home, and this is where most of the animals come and enjoy their dinner. I say dinner or enjoying meal. So all this place, you can see all these things, white things you can see surrounding this place. Anything that is very white, that's some bones of the animals. All this, you see, all these are bones and bones and bones. But this one has a very big kilo. See, all these are bones, you know. Yeah, so like this. Yeah. See. Yeah. You see, it's very heavy. And also you can encounter, this is a lion elephant poo. So here it's where now you can find a lot of animals. This is where now you see some bones over the other side also. You see here, the hyena normally eat this one until it gets. Look, hyena breaking with the legs, with the teeth. Wow, see? Yeah. So there's some bones, you know. Look at this. It's a very big one. The hyena break it. So that's one of the things that you have at least to know about my home here where I'm living. So on my last video, I was shooting video with one of my dog, and the dog was attacking me. Like he loved to play a lot and end up attacking me, and I got an injury in my hands. So this is a bite. Let me show you this one here. You see those? That's a dog bite. So because it was bleeding, I didn't want to show on the camera because it's not good. And I saw one of you there in the comment section asking me I lied on the title. So I didn't lie, it was true, but there's some other things that you cannot just put on the video, you know. Yeah, so that is it. And that's part of YouTube restriction. We are not supposed to put some other things like that, especially when there's something that happened. Maybe you got some bleeding on your leg, hands, you know. Yeah, anyway, that is it, guys. So right now
I'm heading to the hardware to find out two things. But the most one is wheelbarrow. The second one to ask something else. Yeah. Because I'm just crossing here, guys. You know, here you have to walk. So if you don't have a motorbike or a car, you walk. That's what you can do. That's the only thing you can do here. So now we approach. We came from high on the mountain, hills on the other side. So look, that's elephant rhino. It's drying the. It makes the. It makes the place dry. The grass dry. This is our river. To jump again. This is a moving river. There's some sand over there. A lot of stones, but now you cannot just remove it because no. Here water is very clean. That's why you can see some rocks. Yeah, the water is very clean. That's our river, guys. Sometimes it's overflow up to the other side or all of here. But now, sail on the push. Oh, hey, that's amazing. Look at the trees here. All of these are water moving all of this place. See? I don't know if you can see this view. It's amazing. Yeah, so that is it. At least I'm getting inside there, close to the road now. Yes. Sorry guys. See some nice trees over here. Anyway guys, so I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe, like and share. I'm just showing you around my where I normally pass when I don't have a motorbike, because you'll just see me on the motorbike running, but sometimes I just walk a lot. So that is it guys. So keep watching this video, subscribe, like and share guys.
Stay inside here at my land. You can see today I just want to show you, well, there's some giraffes in my home. So I don't know if you have been seeing some videos like this in my place, but you can see, oh, we are not, hey, yeah. Guys, look at that. Wow, this is amazing. Like a very big number of giraffes today. Wow. Look at that guys. Oh, wow. Pole. No problem. Look at that guys. Hey, it's amazing. So imagine guys, you are coming here and you watch the giraffe moving on my land like this with no problem. You don't need to pay anything. Just on my front yard. Just like this one guys. Hi neighbors. Look at that, my neighbors here guys. Wow, look at that guys. Imagine all this are my neighbor. Yes, my neighbor stopped. Oh. They're amazing guys, you know. You can tell. Let me try to come closer. Even the smallest one. Wow. On the other side you can see all these big numbers, over 100 plus. This is now what we called the Maasai giraffe. Maasai giraffes here guys. See? Those wild beast. And that's my cabin there. Guys, it's actually evening time here. Can't tell. For those who have been saying no animals, no what, I wanted to prove to you guys this. Yeah. Okay, let's see how it will be doing. That's my home. So that's in front of my home. Look at that guys. This is another migration at my home. Look, that's my cabin there. And this is the animals now, they're crossing. They're going down. Look at that guys. I normally tell you, when I tell you something, it's just like that. I told you my backyard and front yard is different. Yeah man, that is it my beautiful people. So that's the light of our studio there. You can tell. Wow, look at that. Yes. Tell me in a comment section what next do you like to see, and then I'm gonna show you. Can you hear my dogs there? That means the other side is full of wild animals. Wagwan.